Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn how to write a Python program, that is write a Python function to print multiplication table of a given number. So given a number, so you have to print the multiplication table of that particular number. So multiplication table is a table that signifies the product between two numbers. So let's try to define a function and then ask a user to provide the number, and let's print the multiplication table. So let's define a function. Let's give that is table as a function name, and let's pass the value that is a given number as an input argument. So now let's print the table from 1 to 10, that is for index in range of 1 to up to 11, because I need the value of 10 as well. So that's why I am giving 11 over there. And so I am taking the range between 1 to 10 and iterating it. So let's print the multiplication table. So let's use a string formatting over here. So first let's give the number, that is n, and use the multiplication symbol over here, and again let's give index, and this equals to the number multiplied by the index. So let's print something over here, some friendly message, that is table of n is, let's give dot dot dot, and let's use a formatting over here. So this is the function to get the multiplication table, that is to print. And now let's take a variable in the main function, that is number equals to, so let me use input function, and here let's ask a user to enter a number, so that is enter a number. And so let's convert these to an integer. So let's use type conversion and convert it into an integer. So now we have to call that is a function. Let's call it, that is table of input argument as number. And so we are calling the function to print the table. So once we get this, so this is a complete program to write a Python function to print multiplication table of a given number. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. So let's give enter a number, let's give 5. So you can see table of 5 is 5, 5 up to 10 it has printed. So let me run it again. So now let's give 2. So you can see 2 up to 1 to 10 it has been printed. So now let me give some bigger number. So now let's give 1000. So you can see table of 1000 is this. So this is a complete program to use a Python function to print the multiplication table of a given number. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.